Dear children, today we are start English workbook standard 2nd, unit number 8, chapter number 1. I am a music man. Question number 1. Where does the music man come from and what can he do? The music man come from far away. He play the piano. When asked what the music man can play, what is his answer? The music man play piano and he say pia pia piano piano piano. Okay. Now number 3. What sound come from a piano? The sound of piano pia pia piano 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 pia pia piano pia piano. MCQs. Who come from far away? The music man. The music man can play piano. Turn page. The drum beat say this. Dumby dum dumby dum. Fill in the blanks. I am the music man. I play the piano. I come from far away. I play a big drum. Number D. Rearrange the sentence as they occur in the poem. I am a magician. False. Okay, this is the true and false. I am a magician. False. I can play the piano. True. I come from far away. True. I play the small drum. False. Very short answer. Can the music man play the piano? Yes. Is the drum big or small? So drum is a big. Which word rhyme with play? Away. Short answer set 1. Now question number 1. What are two instruments that the music man can play? The music man can play two instruments, namely piano and big drum. Where does the music man come from? The music man comes from far away land. Set number 2. Question number 1. Who is a music man? Music man is the poet is a music man. Which instrument does the music man play first? The piano play first. Write from the piano the words which rhyme with. Okay, do write it yourself. Match the following. A teacher teach in a school. A driver drives vehicles. A musician plays music. Farmer work in the field. Singer sings songs. Number B. Names any 6 musical instruments their first letter have been given as hint. Sitar, piano, guitar, flutes, drum, violin. Number C. Write. Number 1. 4 words beginning with P. Parrot, peacock, pigeon, piano. 4 words beginning with S. Swing, save, set, sacrifice. 4 words beginning with R. Rabbit, radio, railway, rainbow. 2 words beginning with K. King, kite, kill, pigeon. Turn page. 2 words begin with Y. 2 words beginning with Y. Your, young, year, yesterday. Write opposite word. Opposite of come, go, old, new, far, near, city, village, once, never, friend, enemy. Now grammar. Number 1. Change the following word from singular to plural. Chair, chairs, tomato, tomatoes, ox, oxen, bench, benches, ship, sheep, man, man, box, boxes, goes, geese, class, classes. Number B. Rewrite the following word using a or an before them. Umbrella, and because this is the vowel sound. इज ऑल्सो वोवल साउंड, कंसोनेंट साउंड। तो वोवल के सामने हम क्या रखेंगे? एन। तो एग एन, बुक ए, मैन ए, बेबी ए, आई एन, एलिफेंट एन, चाइल्ड ए। टिक द करेक्ट वर्ड। कम हियर, I am 7 years old. You are my friend. He is my elder brother. Punctuate the following. Always write first letter in capital letter. What is your name? Question mark. My name is Anand. Anand is a proper noun. So first A is the capital and last में full stop. In which class do you read? Question mark. I read in 2nd class. Full stop. Unit 8, Chapter 2, The Mumbai Musician. Question number 1. For whom does the word they stand in the first line? The word they is used for the donkey. Number 2. Where did they see the table? They see the table with delicious food. Why did the people inside run away? Because the people inside throw that ghost and come to scare them. MCQs. The donkey had worked for many years in the house of the farmer. On way to Mumbai, Gopu first of all meet the, सबसे पहले वो किससे मिलता है? डॉग। They all reach a house with a small gate. Fill in the blanks. Turn page. Gopu had carried many heavy sacks of corn. He set off toward the city of Mumbai. They saw a ball of fur in the middle of the road. The people inside thought that ghost had come to scare them. True and false. Gopu was now very tired and old. True. He set off toward the city of Delhi. False. The cat looked like a ball of fur. True. Where there was delicious food on the table. True. One word answer. Who had worked for many years in the house of the farmer. Donkey. Whom did Gopu meet first on his way to Mumbai? Dog. Whom did Gopu meet the last while going to Mumbai? Cock. Short answer. Set number 1. Question number 1. Why did the farmer tell the Gopu to see the world? The farmer told Gopu to see the world before he become too old to carry any more load on his back. Why did Gopu, Dupu and Fury went to go to Mumbai? Gopu, Dupu and Fury wanted to go to Mumbai as they wanted to become musician. Why did the people in the house run away? The people inside the house run away as they thought that the ghost had come to scare them. Set number 2. Question number 1. Why was Gopu tired? Because he had carried many heavy sacks of corn and sugarcane from the farm to factories. Number 2. Why did Gopu smile when he set off toward the city of Mumbai? Gopu smiled when he set off toward the city of Mumbai. It will go to Mumbai and be a musician there. What did Gopu and others see on the table inside the house? The delicious food on the table inside the house. Vocabulary. Unjumbled words. Young, light, beautiful, happy, house, smooth. Match the following. Newspaper, school, bag, toothpaste, necklace, bath, table, bathroom, timetable. Opposite word beautiful, ugly, slow, fast, light, dark, happy, sad, young, old, good, bad. Opposite mother, father, girl, boy, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, queen, king, sister, brother. Now grammar, fill in the blanks, correct prepositions. Number 1, he had carried heavy sack of corn. Turn page. Gopu set off towards the city of Mumbai. I am going to Mumbai to be a musician. Gopu, Dupu and Fury went inside the house and ate the food. Filling the blanks with a or an, a farmer, a singer, an engineer, an actor, an electrician, a soldier. Filling the blanks is MR. I am a music man. Who are you? We are farmers. One of us is a music man. Write past tense of the following verbs: read, put, write, wrote, have, had, struck, have, had, struck, beat, punctuate the following. W capital. Where do you live? Question mark. I live in Agra. Full stop. Agra A capital and I capital. What for is Agra famous? What W capital for is Agra? Agra is a proper noun. A capital. Famous? Question mark. It is famous for the Taj Mahal. It I capital is famous for the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a proper noun. So first word in capital and last one full stop.